Whenever an industry is set up, environment management plan is required. In order to practice the above, the environment management plan has to be prepared. The environment management plan has to be prepared such that the normal environment functioning is not affected. That means the industry should not affect the environment of a place. So the most important step in the environment management plan is to prepare a plan where the steps are taken for the protection of the environment, the cost involved in making the energy requirement of the industry, and the reduction of pollution, backup plan during the times of crisis, methods to face disaster. All these things are to be planned so that the industry does not affect the environment. What actions should be taken during the operation of an industry? Now, if any industry is functioning, then what steps need to be taken? There are certain laws that are stated by the government. These laws which are made, they have to be followed by the industry. These laws are stated under the Act for Prevention, Control and Abatement of the Air Pollution Environment Act. So this act was not made recently, it is an old act and it helps to maintain the environment quality. The Environment Protection and Improvement of Environment and the Water Pollution Control Act and the Air Pollution Control Act. These are certain states in which the industry has to function. There is also an audit statement created. That means the government maintains an audit where the government officials come and they study the industry, and all the things which are being done in the industry are studied, which is filled by all those who tend to develop the industry. It is verified that all the acts which are done in the industry will follow all the regulations and the practices. The industry has to maintain the certain laws. Adoption of efficient and environment friendly practices, technologies. It is better to adopt efficient and environment friendly technology because they help in maintaining the quality of the environment. We must opt for alternative environment practices sources. Their government ensures that the people who are setting up the industry, they look for alternate sources of energy like wind and solar, as they help to control the pollution. The prevention of depreciation of the environment and pollution of the environment technology, which helps in involving the recycling and the preparation and the abatement of what are now considered as the pollutants of the waste pollutant and all the minerals, they also have to be ensured. So the government promotes those industries where alternate sources of energy are used. Demand for new minerals will be greatly reduced, and if there is an industry where the industry is using alternate sources, then it will help to reduce the dependence on the natural traditional resources. Reclamation of sewage, the waste produced by the industry and other wastes, and restoration of these materials can help in to control the loss in the soil fertility and also to reduce the need for more supplies, for new supplies, and in the help in making the soil fertile. So the industry needs to have a waste management practice. The waste which is produced by the industry should be not harmful. These waste should be treated by the industries. These waste should not be improperly handled, and they can harm the environment. The hazardous waste which are produced by the industry in the form of solid, liquid or gases, they are generated primarily by chemical production, manufacturing and other industrial activities. They can damage the environment. Transportation, treatment and disposal operations, improper, frequently contaminated air and groundwater. So people who are living in these areas and these homes built near old and abandoned disposal sites may be particularly vulnerable. So whenever there is an industry setup, it will create some waste. These waste can affect the environment and the people who are living in the near the industry. While dealing with the problem of management of the waste produced by the industries, some of the points should be kept in mind. What are the important things which the industry should follow? The total amount or quantity of waste produced every day by the industry. So the industry has to ensure that how much will be the waste produced every day, composition of the waste produced and the undesirable characteristics, what waste will be produced and what type of waste will be produced, this also, what type of toxic substances will it produce, the method and technique used for collection of the waste and processing and disposal of the waste. All these points have to be kept in mind by the industries.